Alright, hello everyone. This is a little video review of my first anatomy book available on Amazon. You see it's an activity book for kids just learning anatomy stuff and such. Here's the content. You can see there's sort of a general chapter in organs, skin, bones. Here down at the bottom you see senses, the heart, information about blood, arteries, veins, lungs, digestive system, urinary system, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and so on down the line. So very comprehensive. Now, the way the book is set up, it starts off with the most simple information. So this is a book that can be used for a wide range of ages. So those just starting to learn, 3, 4, 5, so on down the line, all the different parts of the body. Well, there's plenty of pictures for that, so you can see all that's available. And there's little questions below it, which are real simple and easy to answer. Some questions over here and some labeling of my body. And it's a little simple, fill in the blank, and so on down the line. So there's some little pages that can be cut out. There's some very simple little crossword puzzles with the answers below, where the answers are like eyes and nose and mouth and so on down the line. So they're very simple. Again, so for the very young ones, they'll like the first part of the book. And then as it goes further along, they'll probably need a little bit more assistance from adults, whoever's helping them. So here you can see there's some little coloring pages. Then you get into organs. So most kids, even the little ones, know probably where their brain's at and about where their heart and stomach and such are at, but not some of these other organs. So there's a little information on each one. And as you can see, there's plenty of pictures, more little crossword puzzles. Then you get something like the skin. Just the simplest of pictures showing the layers is what you'll have first, with some little facts beneath it. So those that are very young will enjoy this right here, not too much for them. Then again, down the rows, they get a little bit older and want more detailed information. There you can see it's more detailed on the skin. Again, there's little facts below it. Then you get on the bones right here. There again, you can see it starts very simple, a little bit more as you go further along, a little bit more to it. There's some on the muscles right here. Again, there's some little fun facts on it and such, some more pictures. And again, there's another little simple crossword puzzle. A little on the nervous system. As you can see, starts off very basic. Brain, spinal cord, and nerves, what you'd expect to see and what's in them. Then moves on to the senses right there. Again, good for them to learn. And then again, it gets more detailed, as we said before. There's a little bit more detail on something like the eye. So as they get a little bit older, they could use this. Same with the ear right there. Starts off just very simple parts and a little bit more detail. There you got nose and mouth, and there's the heart. Notice there's lots of little fun facts beneath each one right there. There you got blood, good picture, and a breakdown of blood, again with all the little fun facts. There's the basic types of blood cells. There's your arteries and veins, all these blood vessels. Good little pictures, shows you what happens when one gets clogged up. Respiratory system, very simple with some facts beneath it. And then again, a little bit more complex. Again, still stays very simple for the kids. As they get on up in the grades, this will be a little bit better for them right here. So a few simple questions. There's digestive system. There you can see all the little basic parts. Pretty easy to understand. There's a little picture they can color. There's urinary system. Again, starts off very simple. A little bit more complex with fun facts below. Full and empty bladder there, some kidneys they can color. Endocrine system, all about hormones. There you can see basic information on it. Lymphatic system, largely about keeping us from getting sick. A couple of simple pictures on the reproductive system right there. And then towards the end, there's some information on our body systems, just very basic. Notice just a few words on what each little system does right there. So good information. There's a couple other little puzzles. They can circle the answers, a few simple questions, a little bit on human cells and so on down the line. And here towards the end, basic cell structure, very simple. They'll pick up in early grades. And a little bit on DNA and cell division and so on down the line. So I hope that helps you see just exactly what you'll find inside of my first anatomy book.